The best benefits of attending UNK are the hands-on learning opportunities.
Experiential learning can be defined in a variety of ways, so we want students to get involved with student organizations, research programs, internship opportunities. We want students to be able to link what they're learning in the classroom to actual workplace applications.
You're not just learning theories, you're applying the skills that they're teaching you in a more meaningful way.
I came to UNK and began researching almost immediately my freshman year, and actually caught the bug, literally and figuratively, because I work with fruit flies.
You have to be able to take your hands, touch it, do it, and see it in order to learn the process of science.
I think it really builds confidence in the student to say that they've actually learned something that they can take on with them in the future.
One good example is our experiential learning class in entrepreneurship. They're charged with starting and running a business, and so they're working with outside clients and investors.
It's kind of nerve-wracking at first because you're working with an actual client, putting yourself out there, but then when you're talking with the client, they can see everything that you have to offer.
I know specifically at my internship I really grew as a person, academically, career-wise, but my personal growth is something that I can't even explain. It's hard to put into words for me.
Our education program was built on a field-based foundation, and we believe that beginning in the freshman year, students need that experience.
Being able to be with students on a daily basis is awesome because that gives me a bigger opportunity. So we're not just there observing, we're teaching lesson plans and doing a lot of different activities with them as well.
You really aren't only just earning your degree, you're really building your resume.
You are getting to apply the skills that you have in the jobs that you have after, so you kind of have a leg up, so it's kind of empowering in that way.
The difference is because we're a smaller school, faculty here are focused on undergraduates.
We're preparing students for successful professional careers, and our data would suggest that we're doing a pretty good job of that.
We always have their best interests, and their successes are our successes.